Welcome back to another episode of our college admission series. Today we will discuss how you should choose the right college for you. If you're watching this video, first of all, we want to say congratulations. You were accepted into college. Be proud of yourself. This in itself is an incredible accomplishment. Now comes the big question, where will you go? You need to consider many factors that may be important to you for your decision, like location, opportunities, and cost. There are various factors that go into a great college experience. What matters most to you may be different from your friends. Here are some common factors to consider before making your decision. Think about the personal and social aspects of the college environment, the academic opportunities, the career development opportunities, and ultimately, one of the biggest factors in decision making, cost of attendance and financial aid. So, what do we mean by the personal social aspects of the college environment? When thinking about this aspect, you should be asking yourself, what matters to you outside of academics and professional development? Where is the school located? Is it in an urban or rural setting? How far away is it from your home? What kind of extracurricular or social clubs does the school offer? How is the food and housing quality? Is it offered by the school or do you have to arrange it yourself? Often, the answer to these questions lie in visiting the schools during their student preview days or second look events. Going in person to visit the colleges you may be considering can help you gauge how you may fit into the school when it comes to the social dynamics of your peers. Can you really see yourself in the student body? Let's talk about academics. A large part of your college experience is defined by an academic experience. You want to pick a college that will allow you to learn well and thrive in the classroom setting. Ask yourself, does the college offer a strong program for your major? How large or small are the classes? What kinds of courses do they offer? Are there study abroad opportunities? Is there any academic support from the college? Additionally, you want to attend a college that will set you up for success in your future career. What kind of career development opportunities do they have for you in your field? Does your college provide mentorship opportunities from alumni or professionals? What kind of positions do graduates get hired in? Reach out to current students and alumni from the colleges you're considering. Ask them if they felt adequately supported in their career development during their college experiences, and if they had the opportunities to further build their resume for postgraduate jobs. Having these conversations will help you make an informed decision that will have a huge impact on your future. Finally, one of the biggest factors that everyone considers when making their college choice is associated cost. How much aid did you receive to help with tuition and expenses? Would you need to take out loans? Do you want to work while you are in college? How much are you willing to pay for college? How does one school's cost compare to your other options? If your top choice school is offering less financial aid than another one of your options, don't be afraid to reach out to the school's financial aid office to make an appeal about the financial aid package you received. Express your desire to attend the school and ask if they can match your financial aid offer from the other school. Ask about any external scholarships that may apply to you. Oftentimes, just reaching out can make the biggest difference. Now that you have these factors in mind, in addition to anything else that may be important to you, you can make your decision. Organize all the information in a spreadsheet, visit the colleges in person, and discuss all of your options with your family. Don't forget to make your commitment before decision day on May 1st. We hope this video was helpful as you prepare to navigate the choices before you. Congratulations again on your amazing success, and we wish you the very best in your college journey.